Hello friends, today I am sharing my motivates opinions to the youths who belongs to backward classes especially. Remember, your background does not distract your future. You have the power to create your life, whatever your desire. The lot of your struggle will pay off if you pursue it. I urge you, don't waste time on excessive mobile use or romantic escapades. When relations are important, prioritize education. I have seen so many talented youths, their youths compromise their academic potential due to distractions. Remember, your hard work and determination will make you efficient. Don't let societal pressure or temporary pleasure hold you back. Please focus on your goal and you will rise above the challenges. Please note these 5 things in every moment. Number 1, believe in yourself. Number 2, work tirelessly. Number 3, prioritize education. Number 4, avoid distractions. Number 5, stay focused. These 5 things are the most important in your career. Alright, so don't forget, please note again, okay? So the future is bright. Don't let anyone dim your shine. Life is unpredictable, so don't overthink too much. Keep moving forward, never give up. As a human, you are constantly being observed, but don't let that weigh you down. Stay positive and focus on your doing good. Trust in God's guidance. To the youths, I urge again and again, please don't waste your time. Focus on your work and especially respect your elders. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. I will continue sharing motivational content, cultural insight and entertainment. Wishing you all the best. Thank you all.